How much does it cost us to get to this stage, which is the carcass of this particular penthouse? Stay tuned as I give us the. Hello, welcome once again. This is my channel. This is a Simtech Properties. My name is Engineer Simon Uzoma. Welcome to my channel. Okay, in today's video, I'll be giving us details of the penthouse that we did at Iseluku. Iseluku is in Delta State. This particular project, I've posted most of the stages from the foundation to DPC, DPC to lintel. When we did the decking, I still posted it. Even the first floor, I posted it. And right now, we've done the roofing. This is the carcass of the house. You can see what we have here. You can see how beautiful this building is. This particular building is 3 room down, then 2 room up. That is penthouse. They are all ensued. It has dining, kitchen, laundry. It has so many amenities. The up also have a family living room, which is it has parlor down and also parlor up. Okay, this is exactly what we gave the client, and you can see how beautiful this building is. Okay, in this video, I'll be giving us the total amount that we spent for this, from the foundation to this roofing, which is the carcass of this house. After this stage, now we should move into the finishing of this house. I'll be giving all the step-by-step guide, total amount to spend for everything from this foundation to DPC. Okay, if you're here for the first time, you can click on the subscription button and subscribe to our channel. In this channel, you're getting the best information when it comes to building a house, duplexes, bungalows, just name them. You're getting everything here free of charge. Okay, now you can share this video with your friends and loved ones. For those that wants to build, they will appreciate you for doing that. Okay, let's move on. Okay, let me show us the back view of this house. Okay, you can see the back view. You can see how we structured this, the back of this house. Now, from this side, this house has one entrance at the front and the back. You can move out from the back. Also, it has a staircase. From that place, you can move. You can see that there's a staircase can move to the down. So you can see the view. The client said he wants to build a bungalow at this back of this place. Are going to have a bungalow there. Okay, and at the front there will be a security house at the front, but this particular back there will be a bungalow there. You can see the way we structured this back of this house. You can see how beautiful and elegant this house is. Okay, let's also see the roofing view of this particular house. Okay, you can see how structured the roofing view of this house. What we use at this roofing, we use stone ties, and the one we use is shingle. Shingle stone ties is what we use on this roofing sheet or roofing house. You can see the way we structure the roofing, how it look like. This is exactly what the client want, and we actually gave him what he want. Okay, like I said earlier, my name is Engineer Simon Uzoma. What I do here is I help those in diaspora, even those in Nigeria, to have a beautiful and a wonderful home. For those that want to build a house, for those that have intention or they want plan building, give us a call and tell us what you want. We'll give you exactly what you want to build. Okay, we build anywhere in Nigeria. Just name any state. We'll come there and give you exactly what you want. Okay, let's move on. Okay, let's go down to the memory lane. Let me show us when we did the foundation. You can see this is when we started this foundation of this particular house. You can see my workers digging the ground, which is the excavation, pulling down some digging the foundation and giving it a different shape, bringing out the rooms and the parlors and all the amenities from this foundation. This is exactly what we did when we did the foundation. Now, from which is the digging of the ground. Then from digging of the ground, we move to the laying of blocks and putting the rod, and also doing the German floor. You can see this is when we did the German floor of this of this project. We did the German floor, make sure that we have enough cement, enough material to make sure that we gave the client a quality job. Okay, you can see this is when we did the German floor. Now from this German floor, move to the setting of the blocks. Yes, you can see this is when we are setting the block of this particular project. We set up the blocks and make sure that we give the client exactly what he want. Okay, this is when we can see when we did the from the block work to the decking to the first floor. You can see where we are right now. This is exactly what we have on the plan, which is the building plan from this first floor. This finally we get to the top of the house, which is the roofing. This is the carcass of the house. Okay, how much does it cost us to get to this stage, which is the carcass of this particular penthouse? Stay tuned as I give us the total amount that we spend for this carcass. I'll be giving us stage by stage and total amount that we spend. Okay, just stay tuned as we move on. Okay, here are the amount we spend for this project, which is from the foundation to roofing. I'll be giving us the stage by stage estimate. Okay, now from foundation to DPC, we spent 8,529,000 naira for the foundation to DPC. So from DPC to top level, we spent about 6,481,000 naira. Okay. Then number 3, which is the decking stage. The decking stage, we spent 6.5 million naira for decking. That's the total amount I spent for this decking. Okay. Then the fourth one is on the first floor of the building. We spent about 5,739,000 naira for the first floor of this particular building. Then from the first floor, move to the parapet. The parapet, we spent about 3.2 million naira for the parapet. Yes, 3.2 million naira for the parapet. Then for the roofing, we spent a total amount, which is both the skeleton and the sheet, which is the stone type. We actually use stone type for this building. Total amount I spent for the roofing is I will spend about 5.5 million naira for the roofing of this particular house. 5.5 million naira. So the total amount that we spent here is about 35,449,000 naira. 35,449,000 naira. Okay, you can see the amount we spent for this carcass. All this amount is both the labor and the material. Everything that we spent, both the labor and the material, is about 35,449,000 naira. You can share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. They will appreciate you for doing that. I still remain Engineer Simon Uzoma, and this is Simtech Property. Thank you for watching, and see you other time. Bye.